Hey y'all, wanted to do an update on baby chicks. We have moved them out here to the smaller side of our larger chicken coop because they were getting out of their breeder and pooping all over my porch, so it was time to bring them out here. And they seem to be enjoying it. I got them water, food, their brooder plate over there to keep warm. They got more space to explore now, so I'm sure they're happy. They are 3 weeks old. They'll be 4 weeks old this coming Thursday. Make sure to stay tuned and like and subscribe to watch these babies grow. I will keep y'all updated.